Hello friends, welcome to Midhara Kitchen. Well, are you craving for a restaurant style masala vada now? Here is a simple recipe which can be prepared even by a beginner. But let's begin with the introduction. Masala vada is a popular South Indian snack made with chana dal, spices, onion and herbs. Masala means a mixture of spices and vada is a fried lentil snack. So masala vada translates to a lentil snack made with spices. It is also known as paruppu vada in Tamil Nadu. It is a common street food in Tamil Nadu and is available in most of the roadside shops and hotels. Soak the dals for 4 to 5 hours. Blend all the spices and then coarsely ground the dals along with spices. Lastly, you can add the flavoring ingredients like onions, coriander, etc. as per your choice and deep fry in batches. A diet rich in chickpeas can help in reducing bad cholesterol in our blood. It is a great source of vegetarian protein. The chana dal benefits are amazing for muscular health. Due to the presence of high protein in chana dal, it supports our immune system, gearing it up to fight any infections. The folic acid in chana dal is rich in folates. Folate is essential in prevention of diseases like stroke, depression, dementia, etc. It has a low glycemic index too. Full of healthy fats are essential for treating inflammation. Please stay tuned till the end of this video to know the secret tips for making crispy masala vadai. The secret of a delicious masala vadai is the flavor of fennel seeds and finely chopped onions. But if you do not like fennel seeds, you can add finely chopped ginger. Masala vadai will taste more delicious if you use baby onions instead of big onions. If you think the mixture is little bit watery, then add little rice flour or rava and mix it nicely. The first important thing to note down is the consistency and texture of the batter. It should be very thick and in coarse form. Do not add extra water while grinding. After adding onions, do not keep it idle as it will leave water, making the dough watery. So after adding onions, immediately shape them and deep fry. The shape of the vadas should be flat and slightly on the thinner side. If they are thick, they may not get cooked completely and the inside may be little raw. To fry masala vadais, ensure the oil is not too hot. Do not overcrowd by adding a lot of them at one time while frying. I fry about 4 to 5 vadas in each batch. Soaking dals for a long time might make the dals too much soft and that will soak more oil while frying. I felt these vadas turn out much better if you soak the dals up to 4 hours. Serve these masala vadais hot with lunch meals or as evening snack with any kind of chutneys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.